Myself, Mr. C.S. Patil, Assistant Professor, Department of Electrical Engineering, Sharad Institute of Technology, College of Engineering, Yadgaon. Today, we are going to do the experiment on armored cable wherein you are applying high voltage DC up to 10 kilovolts. The range setting of this particular test setup is around 10 kilovolts, and maximum leakage current that can flow through the dielectric medium or the insulation medium can be 30 milliamperes. So the test setup is you can see that there is a mains off button and there is a mains on button, and then you have a ST off and ST on unit ready. So whenever you are switching on the particular equipment, mains off indicator will glow. Then whenever you switch on the mains on, simultaneously the ST off indicator will glow, and you ensure that the dimmer is at 0 position. Then only the unit will become ready, and then you are applying high voltage by pressing the ST on button. So whenever the ST on button is pressed, it is enabling that high voltage can be applied now, from now onwards. Also, there is a meter indication where it will show the amount of DC voltage that is being applied to the test sample. Here the test sample is the armored cable, and one of the core is connected to the high voltage terminal, and and then we have the insulation connected to the ground or the earth terminal. Now you can see that the particular cable is connected to the ground connection, and this is connected to the high voltage terminal behind the control panel. Okay. Now we are going to apply mains on. We are applying switch on the mains on, ST on, ST off, and ST on. Now you will apply the high voltage. Simultaneously, you are switching on the timer. For example, for particular instant of time, here we have taken some amount of time, that is 6 seconds. You are able to see that you are applying 4 kilovolts for 6 seconds. If the sample fails within 6 seconds, then sample fail indication will glow. If the sample pass the test and it is able to withstand particular voltage, for example 4 kilovolts for 6 seconds, then the sample pass indication will glow. So now here we will switch on the timer. We will set up the voltage first, then we will switch on the timer. So we will wait for some time, and if the sample is passing particular high voltage which is applied for particular amount of time, then the sample pass indication will glow. So here you are able to see that high voltage is applied now, and simultaneously the timer is also on. After some particular instant of time, if it is fail, then fail indication will glow. If it is pass, then pass indication will glow. Also, we have set the leakage current to 30 milliampere maximum range. Okay. So you can see here that the sample has passed the test because it has it is able to withstood the particular voltage for particular instant of time, maybe it is 6 seconds, and after it passes, the voltage naturally gets deteriorated or decreased. So now you can see that we can derive or we can conclude from this experiment that the given test sample, that is the given armored cable, is able to withstand 4 kilovolts for 6 seconds. So that is here in the particular applications. For example, in industry, when we are designing any equipment and when we are selecting cables for their particular equipment, then we need to do this test so that we can understand to what maximum high voltages we can go, or what are the ranges we can maintain. High voltage ranges can be maintained for the better or the good operation of the given armored cables. Thank you.